Let us see applications of mobile computing. Communication. Users can access email and social media platforms, send and receive text messages, make and receive voice and video calls on mobile devices. Gaming. Because they provide users with a wide variety of games that can be played while traveling, mobile devices have emerged as a popular gaming platform. Healthcare. In healthcare sector, mobile devices can be used to monitor vital signs, store and access patient information, and provide telemedicine services. Education. Students can access educational resources and collaborate with classmates and teachers even when they are not in the classroom thanks to mobile devices. Banking. Banking activities like transferring funds, paying bills, and checking account balances can all be performed on mobile devices. Media. Music, videos, books, and news articles can all be accessed and consumed by users of mobile devices. Mobile computing applications refer to software programs designed for handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. Examples of such applications include social media apps, example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Messaging apps, example, WhatsApp, WeChat. Gaming apps, example, Angry Birds, Pokemon Go. Navigation and map apps, example, Google Maps, Waze. E-commerce apps, example, Amazon, Alibaba. Productivity apps, example, Microsoft Office, Google Docs. Health and fitness apps, example, MyFitnessPal. News and weather apps, example, CNN, The Weather Channel. Music and video streaming apps, example, Spotify, Netflix. These applications provide users with access to a variety of information and services, enabling them to stay connected, be productive and entertained on the go. Thanks for watching the video.